Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the color of your neon outline on CapCut PC. So you're going to go to effects and you're going to go to video effects, go to select the nightclub one and add in the neon outline. You can also choose one from comic if you'd like to, like on, where is it, comic. You can also use this one. It will add in the same effect basically. You can adjust the atmosphere here also. And once you're done, you're going to go to filters, go to mono and add in the black and white filter. Then you're going to go to media and you're going to add in any color that you want. Going to add this blue one on top. Choose the linear burn or the color burn, it's up to you really, and you can adjust it here, but I'm just going to make it full to 100. And that is basically it really. If you prefer the neon lights from the party one, that's also fine. You can also add in more like light to it, so I'm just going to add in this angel one on top and just adjust it. And I'm also going to go to lens and add in the edge glow as well, but it is totally up to you if you want to add these extra effects or not. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!